Hey guys, it's raining again. Bound and determined to get us wet. Some of my clothes made it back into my backpack, but my socks didn't, and they're wet. And it was wet inside of my rain jacket, so I'm wet on the inside and the outside.
Stop your whining.
But look how pretty that tree is with all the rain on it. I have to say that it's nice to finally be faster than Micah at something, because I got little bitty legs and he walks way bigger than me, but for some reason on these little dirt hills I move a lot quicker. So
I'm hot.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, live it up.
Oh, well, look at you guys. Aren't you just some little cows? Little Vermont cows. Look. You want that? I've got more. Yeah, you want that? I know you do. Looks like Bowser. Doesn't he?
Uh-huh.
Look at Bowser, little Bowser cow.
He's like, well, I didn't have to get up and eat it.
We are at Clarendon Shelter, I think was how it's pronounced. But it's so cute, and I wish that I could find, or I hope to find, more shelters like this. It's like little bunk beds in here. It's kind of like the one that was on Killington, but there's a table. I know Molasses has got a little sitting bench where you can sit and think about things. Very nice. So we are trying to get somewhere further today. How's that sound? Somewhere further so that we can get to Manchester quicker.
It's 3.8 to the next, like, good water.
Let's see. This looks like it spirals inward.
This totally reminds me of the time that me and Tyler were in Bryce.
Vermont, I feel like you have been full of surprises. Don't think we were quite expecting to get to walk on some rock like this. And look at that pretty view. Hey guys, I was just gonna let you know that the corner of a tree, like where the roots are at, it's a really good place to hide your toilet paper after you use the bathroom. It's like a little trash can. Perfect. Not. Good place for your toilet paper trash is in your trash bag, where your things go, not in the side of a tree. So shame on them. We are walking through Manchester Center, Vermont. Some pretty little flowers. This little area is so cute. He's reading a book. The Art of Repurposing. I love it. Look at him. Who's this guy? Who is this? What happened?
I got a fresh shirt. Time for a new shirt.
What was wrong with the old one?
Nothing. It was great.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was becoming tie-dyed from sweat.
It was good.
It basically walked itself to the trash can.
It was sad.
So we're just walking along trying to find a place to eat, thinking about getting a beer, and then this happens. Hello cutie, look at you! You handsome? You handsome! Weighing my pack at Green Mountain. 7 of that is food. pretty awesome. And I added a butt seat. I think that we have officially hit the mud in Vermont. Welcome to Vermud. And it's like, I don't want to walk like through it, but also, you know, not trying to make the trail bigger. So it's one of those things where like you kind of just get in there a little bit and hope for some branches like that guy, but also hope that you don't bust your butt when you reach for it. And just kind of, and you know, embrace the, and there's rocks sometimes like this, but then there's been a few times that I've stepped and it wasn't a rock and it was just really squishy mud and I sank. So here we go.